Good evening everyone. Welcome to Tenimax. Now I am moving to example 2.12. What is the question actually? If Z1, Z2 and Z3 are complex number such that the condition is there, modulus of Z1 is equal to 1, modulus of Z2 is equal to 1, modulus of Z3 is equal to 1, then continuation of modulus Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 also equal to 1. Now one by one I am taking. If modulus of Z1 is equal to 1 means what will happen? Square on both sides. So square on both sides, what will happen? So modulus of Z1 square is equal to 1 square means value will be 1. Already we know one property, modulus of Z square means Z into Z bar, isn't it? So how to split the line? So Z1 into Z1 bar is equal to 1 means, so modulus of Z1 bar is equal to 1 by Z1. The next condition, okay, again modulus of Z2 is equal to 1 means again square on both side. So square on both side, what will happen? Modulus of Z2 square is equal to 1 means, the condition actually what is the property? Z into Z bar. Therefore Z2 into Z2 bar is equal to 1 means Z2 bar is equal to 1 by Z2, isn't it? I'm moving to third one. Modulus of Z3 is equal to 1 means again square on. So square on both sides, what will happen? Modulus of Z3 square is equal to 1 means Z3 into Z3 bar is equal to 1 means, so Z3 bar is equal to 1 by Z3, isn't it? So now the condition I am taking, find the value of this condition. Okay, what is the condition? Modulus of 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3. So 1 by, so already we know just Z1 bar is equal to what the value we found already நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தோம். Z1 bar ஓட value என்னது 1 by Z1, isn't it? I am applying, find the value 1 by Z1 plus then 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3 means modulus of 1 by Z1 means what is the value? Z1 bar. Again 1 by Z2 means Z2 bar. Then last condition, Z3 bar is equal to 1 by Z3. So this is actually Z3 bar. Already we know one property, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, the whole bar is equal to Z1 bar plus Z2 bar then Z3 bar. How to split the line actually? Is equal to whole modulus of Z1 bar Z2 plus Z3 the whole bar, isn't it? Now another one property is there. So modulus of Z bar is equal to modulus of Z. This is also one property. What is the property actually? The clear modulus of Z bar is equal to modulus of Z. Again without bar we can write it, isn't it? So Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Already we know modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to value will be 1. So we can take it, this is called 1. Actually என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா நமக்கு Z1 Z2 1 by Z1 1 by Z2 1 by Z3 ஓட வேல்யூ செப்பரேட்டாக கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த வேல்யூவை நம்ம இந்த டேர்மில் ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணி கடைசி டேர்மை நம்ம ப்ரூஃப்னு கொண்டு வந்தோம், இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 1. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் அவர் ஃபைனல் டேர்ம். ஓகே, ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் லிசன் மை டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye bye.